Hi there, today we will show you how to design like a pro. First, basic operations. Try 2D, 3D and different display modes to help you design better. Second, replace building materials. Our public library has more than 100,000 products. You can find a particular product with category list, or simply through search bar. Don't forget your enterprise library. It is available under enterprise accounts. My account records your favorites, history and uploads. Now, add a door to your floor plan. Modify its properties. Search windows. Add one. Third, add finishes. You can use filters to choose finishes. Drag them to your project. Hold down Ctrl to paint only one face at a time. Fourth, add furniture and decor. Drag one sofa to your room. Flip it. Favorite the product. You can find it in favorites under my account. Add more furniture. Dual window improves design efficiency. Mirror the curtain. Rotate. Switch to 3D for precise adjustment. (720) rotate. The material editor swaps material and texture. Finally, rotate your floor plan to check details. That's all for today. See you next time.